Here is a quick concept check, a very powerful concept check for you on combining chart patterns from multiple time frames to increase the probability of profit. So I've got a chart of Zillow open on a monthly time frame. So we're on a big fat monthly time frame here. And we're looking at the last, 10, well, not quite, but about 10 years zoomed in a little bit. And we see this big fat W pattern poised for a breakout. And it's just right there breaking out. And so, we might like the stock fundamentally as well. That's important. But we see that W pattern here on the monthly chart. Now I'm going to switch time frames to a weekly chart. And here's that same W pattern we see kind of protracted out. There's our break above resistance. And if you look closely in here, there is a pennant inside there. So you got a pennant and what looks to be a retest. So you got inside candles on a pennant right there. And again, that inside, a couple candles inside each other, and you get that last one that's considered a bullish Harami pattern in that consolidation. And you're looking for that breakout to the upside. Okay, so that's a weekly chart. So now you get into here to the daily chart, and now you can really see that pennant more clearly. So let me see if I can draw that a little bit cleaner. Okay, let's try that one more time. There's the pennant, and this is the big, flagpole here. So there's the pennant pattern inside consolidation, and we're looking for that breakout to the upside again as it retests here on the old support resistance zone and the rising moving average. So good looking combination of patterns. We'll go one step further down into the intraday chart. Here on a 30-minute chart, we have a stock in a box. There are pennants there from that high, but it's just chopping sideways. And we need to see that breakout above resistance so we can identify a very clean trigger point there. And again, multiple time frames, chart patterns that all lead and point to bullish doesn't guarantee the outcome, but it certainly increases the probability of profits. And again, when combined with good fundamental analysis, can really give us that edge we're looking for as traders.